What's the meaning of aircrew? Aircrew. 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 Aircrew.
Aircrew refers to the group of individuals who operate and maintain an aircraft during flight operations. The members of an aircrew can include pilots, co-pilots, flight engineers, navigators, and other support personnel. Aircrew members are responsible for ensuring the safety of the aircraft and its passengers, as well as adhering to strict aviation protocols and regulations. They must also possess the necessary technical skills and training to operate complex flight systems and respond effectively to emergency situations. Overall, aircrew play a critical role in the safe and successful operation of aircraft in both civilian and military settings.